Right, how to clean the detergent drawer on an Indesit washing machine. Right, obviously we'd locate our drawer at the top, pull it out, then to remove it, what you have to do is lift up and give it a good pull. It's very tough. So to show you what you need to get over, you'll notice that there are lugs. Here, we've also got two here, the two smaller ones. So this main lug you need to get over. So when you pull it out, you need to actually lift up and then push back a bit, then give it one good pull. So we brought our drawer to our sink. We're going to take this out. Your softener grate. Just grab the sponge, and we're just using some warm soapy water, bit of detergent, fairy washing up liquid will do, and just wipe away all the excess detergent. This drawer's been kept clean, so it's not bad, it's quite good. You'll need to use a toothbrush to just get in the nooks and cranny bits. So stuff like at the end here, say, and also around here. It's quite difficult, and you're not going to get everything. It's a bit of a stupid design, to be honest. Look, even there, even that's just... Honestly, it's just been designed to just make things. So, remember, do underneath. Sometimes we get a detergent build up there, like we have here. Bit of mould. Don't have to use soapy water as such, could just use hot water, as that will just happily melt away the detergent, but soapy water does help as well. Even in these rings here for some reason. Again, I don't quite understand those rings, they don't really serve any purpose. Then to make things like really complicated just to clean. If you can get at here with a sponge, it's just easier. Well, we can actually. Around here as well, hopefully. Right, the bit that we can't get is inside here with the normal sponge, so we're just going to get our toothbrush and twizzle it around like that. As you can see, it's a bit cleaner. Just going to use our hot water. We're just going to rinse this off because this is looking quite good now. Yeah. Same with our drawer. Looking quite good. Odd little bit here and there, really much better than what we started off with. Just run the hot tap through this hole here where the fabric softener is. That will get rid of any and that's now rinsed off and ready to go back in. Right, back to the machine, but first I'm going to finish cleaning that drawer off. While we've got our detergent drawer here, we're going to put the softener grate back in. It's pretty simple really. You put this big hole over the small tube and just drop it in and then just push on. and it will clip into place. Look, turn it upside down, it doesn't fall out. So that's now clipped into place. Now we're going to take this back over to the machine. To put the detergent drawer back in, we will place that in there and that. As you can see, this bit here needs to go in this little groove gap here. The same with the other side. You see? Then just sort of position it. Now, whack it. That's it. Same. Then just pull it back out to make sure it stops. Yep, it stops. And that's it. That's how to clean your detergent drawer on an Indesit washing machine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to do your own at home. Please don't forget to like this video, comment if it's helped, and subscribe for more how-to videos, not just on Indesit washing machines, but on other appliances too, hopefully. But on other appliances too that you may own at home. Thank you for watching.